Jack down here at Mike's Off-Road. Today, figured to show you guys some of the fabrication stuff we can do down here. We're building a move bumper for this guy's 07. It's fully custom weld-wise. You get every piece of this bumper in a box and you have to build it yourself for the truck. Move bumpers, they're made in Montana. They ship them to you in a box full of parts, stick them together on the truck. You take them off, weld it up, and then it's ready to go. They're a cheaper option than a lot of other ones on the market, and they're stronger in a lot of ways. To start off with, you have to clean pretty much all the joints where you would weld it down in here in the structural parts. And fitting it up is quite hard because you have to fit it up on the vehicle. You don't want to weld it together off the vehicle because if you get any heat distortion or movement, it might not fit when you get it back on. So you have to tack it all together up on the truck, take it off, weld it up down here, and obviously it's all clamped and it's pressed apart exactly where it has to be to prevent any heat warping. So if you need anything custom fabrication wise done, like bumpers, roof racks, rock rails, pretty much anything with metal that can go on a vehicle, we can do it down here at Mike's Off-Road and get it done quick, correctly, and you'll be satisfied and get you down the road.